Hello friends, good morning. Welcome to TechVaria. Today we are going to start with Zoho Books basics. In Zoho Books, a lot of features are there. And today we are going to see a very specific price list feature. So let me run you through the creation of price list and then how you can handle multiple price list for customers. So over here on my screen, you can see two separate price lists are created. One price list which is named B2B means I would like to configure a business to business specific price list for giving a bulk discount for all my B2B customer with 20% of markdown. So here the feature will work like you will have an option of either adding the margin or giving the discount. So markup means you are adding the margin, but markdown means you are offering a discount. And the things will work with two separate ways. Either you give all your item under one discount, or you can pick individual item and define the discounts. Now, one other beautiful things available in Zoho Books price list is the round off. Because when you apply any price list and your sales price is coming into decimal, how exactly things will work when you round off the value. So when you select never mind, it means exact decimal value will be made available in your sales order or invoice with the price list applicability. But if you choose nearest whole number, then it will convert into the nearest fixed figure without any decimal. And then you have a choice like 0.99, 0.50, 0.49 and other fixed decimal places, which is very beautifully present over here for a layman understanding. Now this is for general B2B price list. And second price list which I have created for business to consumer, where I have picked the policy on individual items. And then during individual items, you will also get two more options. One is how unit price or volume based price works. So if I select volume based price, then I will also need to select the currency. And then I want to include the discount percentage for the item. So over here, now you can see this second wizard will made available when you select individual items. So let me create a new price list where I will say generic price list, and when I select individual items, you can see all your product which are available in your item master will be populating over here. And then you can define a unit based pricing over here, or you can give maybe any generic discount over this item like this unit pricing. But when you convert into volume based pricing, then what it will be done, okay, it will change the data and now you can define like a quantity based like starting quantity and ending quantity and the custom rates, either custom rates, or if you want to give any discount, you can see over here. Now if you want to define a new range, automatically it will pick up the last end quantity plus the start quantity of the next range, and then you can define the next percentage discount based on volume. And then you can give something like no ending quantity, but 51 unit onwards the person will get 5% fixed discount. Now over here I would like to mention the same thing but with a different type of range. Then I can add the range according to our will and wish, and then we can define the different type of price list. Okay. Now enter a valid custom rate. So over here we have to also define the custom rate over here. So if I select 150, so I am giving a custom rate over here. Now this particular generic B2B price is available, and then if I want to even make like it will work basis on individual item, volume packing, and then Indian rupees is the thing over here. Now, when you create any sales order or quotation, then you can select your customer, any customer, and then you can see a predefined price list is there with customer profile. So how it is possible? So when we create any new customer profile, okay, so before that I need to discard this, and then I will move to customer master, and in customer master I have predefined the price list over here, a currency, and then price list, which is predefined over here for customer one, where you can define a price list for all your customers likewise. Now if I go to Mr. Customer one and then edit and update its price list to my new price list generic and save it. So now whenever I am creating any quotation, let's say for my customer one, the default price list will be generic, and then over here I can give a price list like one item, 2% discount will be there, rate will be the standard one. When I am adding 11 quantity, so according to the price list configuration, it will add. When I am adding, 55, it will add the price discount accordingly. So over here also, we can see if I am adding, let's say 11 quantity, 2% discount will be there. Now what happened if I am moving the price list or removing price list, the price will come to common, and then if I am selecting a generic B2B price list, it will ask me to update. So immediately the B2B price will be applicable on all these unit according to our configuration for this customer. So here you can set a customer specific predefined price list from customer profile, or during the quote preparation you can change the price list according to your sales cycle, and you can give discount and then prepare your quotation. So over here in quotation you can see it is available, as well as if you are using Zoho Books for directly creating your invoices, then also the price list will be applicable. So if I'm going and selecting customer 2, then my generic B2C price list is available, and if I'm selecting any item, then it will be added the quantity accordingly and my price will be applicable like this. Okay, so every time you can see an alert will be coming, and then you can see how system will act on the basis of price which was defined in price list, and in sales order, quotation or invoice, the price list will be applicable from customer profile. Hope this particular video will help many people to define their preferred sales price list in Zoho Books like this. If you have any question, do reach out to us on techvidia.com or connect us on our YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Have a good day.